Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable the HD audio in your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova. So if you are the older user and you may have thought that this feature is still in the device details, you are wrong, and I thought that this is here too. So as you can see here in the settings and connected devices, here in this gear icon we can't see HD audio. I know it was here some maybe a year ago or something like that, but it's not here. We have to go back, and of course remember that we have to be connected to our earbuds. Now scroll all the way down to the About phone, scroll all the way down again to the build number and tap this build number until we see you are a developer. I am, so we can go back and tap not About phone, we can tap System right here. Now we can scroll all the way down and tap Developer Options. Here, if we scroll a little bit down below the debugging things, we can see, wait a moment, I will find it. We'll find HD audio. Tap it to enable. And now here you can select the Bluetooth audio codec, which is by default AAC because we don't have the LDAC codec here. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.